to today?
About, I think it was 2 miles down the road, straight here.
So just Mitchell.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
I don't remember. Let's look.
Okay. Where are you looking right now?
Sailboat fuel.
Sailboat fuel?
Yes, sir.
No kidding. Okay. You got your placards and everything?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I've got...
I'm glad you caught that. No, I know. Denver, Colorado.
Okay. So you're coming from Denver to Mitchell?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you got your... Can I see your license again? I'm sorry. Do you film all your stops this way?
I do YouTube, actually.
YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you pro law enforcement?